So, Scotty, you getting ready to pull out?
I'm getting ready to pull out, people. Here we go.
Oh,
and
oh, that's a fine-looking mess
the
you have there.
entire
Center link
assembly.
and idler arm that I get to take. That's disgusting.
Yeah.
That's gonna be. Do you want to go soak that in the juice first?
We don't have enough juice to soak it in.
Oh, I might get some more today. That needs to go in the purple power bath.
I mean, this is... Oh, God,
Ew,
that just sounded gross.
Last time I heard that sound.
Well, I'm gonna try and scrape as much of this as I can, because I mean it's gonna have to be soaked.
Yeah, that's
There's
nasty.
no doubt.
It's gotta get nice and clean, and then I can rip it apart and rebuild it.
We actually need more of the rust stuff
Got it.
as well, because if
I
this
can
is
put
gonna
that
go
on.
back on rebuilt,
It's gonna be nice.
it's gonna be painted,
Yeah.
and I want to paint and scrub this piece up as well. I mean, we've done all these nice things to the front end, and I want our work to stand out as being the best. And the front end is really coming along good, you know? I want things to look as good as we can possibly get them. So, yeah, it's out, people. It's out.
Time
but
for a bath.
for those of you that are trying to figure out why I'm actually scraping as much as I am and doing what I'm doing, put this down for just a second.
Uh-oh. Whoa! I'm impressed that didn't fall in there.
I know, right? This is why.
Ew.
It helps.
Oh, yuck, dude. Oh, my God.
Because some of this is actually stopping me from getting...
You need the hardware.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cake. Nasty mess.
And there, that I'm scraping off around the base, is where I need to grab to get it out. So, yeah. This is why I take the time to do what I do.
Yep. Scrape and soak and clean and... Oh, scrape off a nice line of schmutz off that. There you go. Wow. It's actually quite preserved.
Yeah?
We have a new idler.
Oh, that's the thing is we have a new one, so...
But it's still nice to
Oh, yeah.
play. How
But
much
I mean-
shit can I pull off of here? Done. Wow.
But this is from people, previous owners, not the owner that we have now that has his car.
Or people that serviced it.
Yep. That just don't... They just don't pay attention to shit.
We just grease. Don't wipe it up.
Yep.
And it gets everywhere.
Okay, so I need you, while you're filming, to take a picture so that I can get the proper angle for that arm to go on for the new one.
The angle on the dangle.
The angle on the dangle, baby.
Angle on the dangle. I took a bunch of pictures.
Okay.
Scrape this right here just because it'll be satisfying. It's satisfying. Satisfaction. Oh, yeah. I think it's in really good shape.
Yeah?
What's up, man?
Yeah, once it's cleaned up and got a lick of paint on it, it'll be good.
Ew. Right?
Mm-hmm.
To quote the famous O Girl.
Exactly.
Ew!
But now you can see the bottom. I mean, just...
Scotty likes the bottom. Anyway.
Yes, I do. This guy loves a bottom.
Ew.
Not being a bottom, because I'm not a bottom.
Oh my god.
I mean...
Look at all that shit. I mean, that piece doesn't matter too much.
No, but
it
it's...
still needs to be cleaned before I take it apart because I don't make a mess.
Yeah, so...
I don't want to make a mess. Come on now. I'm the king of making messes.
Who were you and what did you do with Bobby?
I don't know. I'm always making messes. Anyway,
Okay, I need to...
yeah, you need fresh gloves, and we need to go do product review.
Yes, so... there we go, there we
All right.
go. Okay, next video up, product review.
Yep. And then you'll have a video of me getting this all apart.
Yep.
And maybe starting on this while Scotty does fucking millions of things on here. Anyway, all right.